again, guys. So if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So in this short tutorial, I want us to look at how to create a ZIVPN unlimited file from a premium server. Okay, it's very simple and easy to create it yourself. Okay, so let's head to this website. Okay, so we are on their home page. So you click on menu at the top right corner. Okay, then you come and select premium UDP. Then you select then you come to ZIVPN UDP server. You click on it. You scroll down. So you are using the United States server. So you come and click on select location. You scroll down again. So here you input the username, password, and you check I'm not a robot. Okay, then you click on create. You wait for some seconds. Okay, so the account has been created. So this is the server IP, that's the IP address, and the username, the password. The validation is 7 days. Okay, so let's copy all the server IP, the username, and the password. Okay, so let's go and configure it in the UDP, the ZIVPN. So this is the ZIVPN. If you don't have it, you can get it on Play Store. So on Play Store, you search for ZIVPN. Okay, so this is it. You can download and install it. Okay, so let's go in the app. So you click at the 3 dot over there. Then you select reset config. Okay, yes. So here, after resetting, you come and check UDP. Check it. Then you go to the top left corner, the 3 lines over there. Then you come and select UDP tunnel settings. Click on it. So here you paste in the IP, then here the password. Okay, so the IP that we copied, and the password too is this one. After that, you click on apply. Good. So now you are done with everything. So you click on start. After clicking on it, you come and click on log to check whether it is really connected or there's a problem. Okay, so let's click on start. It's connected. Okay, so it's very simple. So this is the logs. It is connected. Okay, so this is how to go about it. It's very simple and easy to create it yourself. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, like I said, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about VPNs, kindly stick to my channel. Okay, my channel is the best for you. For right now, my channel is the best for you. Everything that you need to know about VPNs. Okay, so if you don't understand anything, just put your question in the comment section for me. Okay, and I'll respond, and I'll put my Telegram channel too over there, so that if you want to learn anything or anything that you want to know, you can text me over there. Okay, so kindly hit the subscribe button and turn off the notification.